In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to keep pancakes warm 3 different ways. First up is the tortilla warmer. Crazy, I know, but I love tacos and I have one of these on hand, so I simply fill it with my pancakes with a paper towel at the bottom, place the lid, and keep making the next batch. By the way, if you love short tip videos like this one, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more on my channel. Our second option is to take them from the griddle onto a plate and then cover them with aluminum foil, just like that all the way around, and make it into a tent. They'll stay warm in there while you make your next batch. Option number 3 is to use your oven. So go ahead and preheat it to 200 or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the pancakes are ready, take them off the pan or griddle right onto a parchment lined baking sheet, which you're gonna place in the oven to hang out while you make the rest of the pancakes. And there you have it, guys. 3 easy ways to keep your pancakes warm batch after batch. If you need a great recipe, make sure to check this one out, and see you guys next time.